definitely. And this is still the engine for growth globally. I think investors, come here to see growth.
For us, we're building global portfolios for the clients that we work with, and so Asia is obviously a growth engine of the world. And so if you want to have a balanced portfolio with global exposure and accessing the growth that there is globally, you need to have exposure to Asia as well. So it's a critical part of a balanced global portfolio in private equity.
As mentioned, we're a Japanese fund, and from the macro level, everyone knows that there has been such strong interest from Japanese firms to come into Southeast Asia, particularly not just the big guys who already have a lot of establishments here, but it's the next tier that we see a lot of opportunities for. But we see that despite a lot of these Japanese SMEs wanting to come into Southeast Asia, it's not so easy. So as a Japanese private equity fund, we'd like to come in to be the bridge, to basically take that first investment into Southeast Asia companies and then help to facilitate that partnership with probably a potential Japanese buyer.
Oh, seek for returns, absolutely. And we want to participate into the emerging market. As I mentioned, we have more than 75% of our assets allocated into a developed economy, and primarily in bonds market, in secondary market. But we want to allocate a quarter of our portfolio into emerging markets. So the primary reason for us is to have our emerging market exposure.